Okay, short little video today. We are going to talk about license plates, specifically license plate frames. I actually just bought this new silicone frame, supposed to help prevent scratching and all that. Now, I've always had a truck, so the plate has always gone on a chrome or metal bumper. I've never had to worry about that. But in this case, it went straight on to the painted surface of this rear bumper. So we're going to take that off, see if it did scratch up the bumper, to see if this is really needed. We're going to open this up first and take a look, see what's inside, and see how a license plate fits in it, because I got new plates, so I needed it anyway. All right, so this is the two-peak silicone license plate frame. It sells for $9.80 on Amazon. I'll go ahead and put a link to it in the description down below. And actually for $4 more, you can get a two-pack. So if your front plates stay and you actually have the front plate, you'll probably need two anyway. Instructions is right on here. I mean, do you really need instructions for this? Not really. So let's see what's inside though. So we got silicone frame. Actually, I think it goes up like that. Twin peaks, two peak. And it's just a soft rubber silicone. And then I think they have a little, just a little tool in here, similar like interior trim tools to get the plate in. So let's first see how well this fits. Let's do it that way. See where this tool comes in handy. By the way, as a workbench, we are using my skinny wheels, which eventually I will do a video on and eventually get mounted. All right. So I guess this is kind of a review of the two-peak one. So as you can see, standard license plate fits in there pretty good. It's not curling up. Also, this does have holes in the bottom. Tells you this side down so that water gets in, they'll leak out. So let's go ahead and go back to the car, take off the old plate, and let's see if it got scratched up at all. All right, so here's my old plate. Let's go ahead, take this sucker off really quick. All right. So now I've had this old plate on for 5 months now. We got the holes, little damage from where the plate goes in. Tiny little, I don't know if we can see it, if we can focus. Tiny little scratch there, but that's it. Now, you really don't need a video to show you how to put these on. Alright, and that's it. That is the silicone license plate frame. So it just protects that paint. I no longer have to worry about the plate scratching it. Not that it did very much anyway, and this is plastic, so it's not really as big of a deal. But still, definitely a good buy, and yeah, get it. I think it's worth it. So, hey, thanks for watching a short little video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.